Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore the Microsoft Update feature in Windows 7. Let's get started. So a few years ago, I made a video on how to actually restore the Microsoft Update feature in Windows 7, but since October of 2025, Microsoft has shut down the website that you need to go to in order to enable Microsoft Update on your Windows 7 PC. So I found a new way on how to enable Microsoft Update on your PC, and we'll be using Legacy Update to do this. So to get this all set up is very straightforward. You just need to head over to the Legacy Update website, download their installer, and once it's on your PC, you just need to run it. So we're going to run it. If you get a user account control pop-up, just click yes. So after you open the Legacy Update installer, you'll be taken to this screen. And because we just want to enable Microsoft Update, we can uncheck these two boxes here. You can enable this if you want as well. This is up to you, but this will just enable additional modern security features so that your PC can connect to HTTPS websites. It'll fix connection issues with some websites. So you can leave these two enabled, but the most important part is that you have enable Microsoft Update checked. So once that's done, you can just go ahead and click install, and it'll start installing all the stuff it needs to get Microsoft Update working on your PC. Once it's done the first part of the installation, you can just click restart and your PC will restart. Alright, so after your PC is restarted, we can go to Windows Update and check for updates. And there we go. We can see that it now says that we receive updates for Windows and other products from Microsoft Update. So there we go. That's how to restore the Microsoft Update feature in Windows 7. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Thanks. Have a great day.